What is the capital of France? C. Paris. What is the capital of Mongolia? C. Ulaanbaatar. What is the capital of Canada? B. Ottawa. What is the height of the Golden Gate Bridge's main towers? C. 87 meters. Who was the chief architect of the Golden Gate Bridge? A. Frank Lloyd Wright. In Greek mythology, who is the goddess of war and strategy? B. Athena. What is the color of a ripe banana? A yellow. What is the largest mammal in the world? B. Blue whale. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? B. Avocado. What country is the CEO TikTok from? A. Singapore. Comment your score and follow Trivia Panda. I will give you an ebook about how I make viral quiz videos like this.